Alright, so today the plan is I'm just going to be switching out my graphics card, which I have right now a GTX 1650 Super in this computer, and putting in a RTX 2060 Super. Should be a big upgrade and big difference, so give it a shot and see what we get.
I said we're on cloud nine, it's where you wanna be. Some rockin' lemonade and a splash of Hennessy. The club don't close, the drinks gon' flow. We get it when we feed it, and nobody gotta know. Said we on cloud nine, it's where you wanna be. I'll take a look at you, you can take a look at me. Clothes fall off, we floating in the air. We do it how we do it, get it and nothing compares. Said we on cloud nine.
Crack open the capsule and pass me the Paxil, feeling like a chemical imbalance. She always said I had talent, but I never had the balance to be sipping and not drinking in the gallons. Bitch, you never seem to get them Richie Valens. Fly till I die, sky high, madam. Digging in the life, on the dirt up in the talons. I've always been a bagging since school pants sagging. Band being in the bottom of a cup, and nobody can never tell them what the health risks are. Band 10 in the media, motherfuckers are basically coming up to get the halo out of Dodge. Call me Hellboy, Satan Seed. Rap like for others, it ain't safe to breathe. Give me all the goods you got and give me paper, please. I'll be hitting cloud nine with a strange disease. Some call it dope, some call it ill. I just call it whatever I'm feeling in the middle of the moment. Everything I do, I own it. So when I'm calm now, take my body and preserve it in the moment. Doing Molly Ring wild and with Mona. At least the secret, you wanna zone off. Heaps of frequent feats, we need the loner. Body running hot, I think I need me a Corona. In Miami, where the women are the type that wanna take your soul. Just keep your guard up high and alive, don't be running around alone. We got nothing but some time in the rhyme for the crowds we know. Give me your fat ass out to the go, to the clouds we go. Let's go.